Lamborghini Huracan. This thing is just about done. As you guys can see, we're doing the final bumper piece. This color looks much better now. So customer came, approved, loves it. He's doing the final piece right now. We're gonna put the wheels on, test everything, reset everything, make sure it's good. Customer's gonna be here to pick it up today. This Huracan is a wrap. This is a completion of a complete color change. Customer is on the way. We're gonna wash it, detail it right now, get it ready, and the job to the team. We made it.
This was the brown one?
Yeah, so this was the brown one, you guys. That brown one that looked terrible, that the customer didn't like.
Why you say that?
Yeah, so, you know, his choice of color, and this is his choice of color also. So now he's happy. He's on the way. We're gonna detail it, make sure it's nice and clean, and that's it. Here we go, baby. Back in action.
All right, got this really nice S580. This is a factory matte gray color. One of the nicest colors from Mercedes-Benz, honestly. It has these pretty dope wheels, as you can see. Pretty funky, but it does work on there. He has like a lower lip as well, and the car has been lowered. The reason why this car came to us right now, real quick, from Orange County, is for the stands. These wheels, we did not do them. They're pretty aggressively offset, and they lowered the car a little too much, and it was rubbing a lot in the rear, especially with the rear steering. So we went ahead and raised the rear a little bit. It still looks good, but it's not going to rub anymore. Unfortunately, these cars, you have to do the proper offsets depending on the height. If you go very, very low, you can get away with some aggressive stuff because they offset in, they camber in. But if you're gonna do not so low, but pretty low, you have more chance of rubbing, and then you have to go up like this. So still looks great, honestly. The S63s are out. We're gonna be getting some of those in. Those are really, really sick. But for now, this is a very nice S580.
All right, you guys, we have this Audi R8 here. We have a beautiful 1016 wing, carbon wing that we're going to be installing. Javier's putting all the brackets on right now, so he's taking care of that as we speak. We have some customization to do to make this thing work, so you obviously just can't put it on this way. So we're putting all the brackets right now. Customizing a few things to make this thing work. Stay tuned. This thing's gonna look really nice. I mean, this car is already nice, but with a nice wing like this, it basically makes it look really, really nice. So take a look.
Alright guys, we're standing in front of the R8. Update is the wing is on. Only took us about 2-3 hours. Customer came in the morning and already almost done. On the R8s, honestly, the best thing you could do is a wing like this, a fixed wing. The little spoiler in the back, which is not really a spoiler, just goes up and down. That has been now disconnected. But there's gonna be no error because we disconnected the shaft, left the motor in there. So it's still, the motor's gonna think it's moving a little wing, but it's not. And now you got this really nice fixed wing in carbon fiber, of course, on this really nice gray R8. So I'm a big fan of the newer recent R8s. The older ones, we've done quite a few of them with wide bodies and stuff, but I mean, this is such a clean sports car. So yeah, #1 upgrade for the R8.
I like it. Actually, this is much more comfortable than a McLaren. I'll tell you that much. At least I can get into this one. Let's put our seatbelts on. Okay, we've done a lot of work on this Corvette. And the final repairs were done yesterday. Some more suspension work was done. Also, we placed the hub and bearing on this car, making noise. And also the leaf spring as well. So it's good now. And man, it feels like a brand new car. It drives good.
Should get one. I think it suits you the best.
Yeah, I don't like payments. Well, I mean, this car, there's nothing else to drive. This thing is super straight. Alignment is perfect. Customer's gonna be super happy. Now this thing needs some care. Needs a little bit of a nice wash. That's it. We have this BRABUS G-Wagon here. You guys know we did this build not too long ago. That's back here for nothing crazy today. We're here, we got a B service that we're gonna do on this bad boy today. A few hours, regular service, synthetic oil change, filter, top off fluids, all that stuff. And that's it for this one for today. Look how good it runs.
All right, the Toyota Cressida. Most of the body work is done. A lot of work. We're still looking for bumpers. If you guys know anybody, front rear bumpers, still looking for it. Almost impossible to find anything for this Cressida. But the body work, now we're gonna be primering the entire body. It's gonna be a special primer. Everything is smooth, nice. Cut out the rusted parts, replaced it, welded new metal to it. So a lot happened to this Cressida. A lot of hard labor work. So we're gonna be primering it and then doing the full paint job and hopefully finding some new parts that we could throw on it.
Hey, ¿qué pasó?
What's up? How's your weekend?
Good. No more body shop for me.
What do you mean?
Y ahora soy me voy a de cleaner.
You janitor?
Ah, janitor. Así ese hoy. Ese hoy soy yo. $7.50 per hour.
For $7.50?
Yeah. What are you gonna do? I need to work because I have kids.
Kids.
Feeding. And I don't have a dog because that, you know?
Yeah.
That's why I don't have a dog. If somebody have any job extra or need to clean a jar, I go. For $10 per hour.
Oh, product. Okay. Don't say it. Just say where you got it from.
Yeah. I have the sick lighter. It's waterproof, as you can see. You can take this
I have
out.
his number.
It's a flashlight. Pretty cool.
Take his number so I can communicate with him. Yeah.
Look at that, clear. But the best part is it's also a lighter, and it's like an arc lighter.
Take it off. Take it off.
Damn, you look good.
And that's how powerful that lighter is. Get it right now on manandtonic.com. That's MANANDTONIC.com. Lots of cool gadgets and stuff like that right now.
Yeah. Yes.
The first Revuelto in the USA got delivered just this last weekend. It's that crazy edition. It's like that one of one. We're gonna get a lot of Revueltos this summer. It's gonna be the it car for sure. Look at that interior.
Damn.
Sick.
It's gonna destroy the Aventador. The Aventador is gonna be like, sad to say, garbage compared to that car.
Video, thumbs up. See you next time. Órale.